In this video, let's talk about how to get more YouTube comments on your videos, and it's actually a big ranking factor. So let's make sure that every video you have can get the most comments. First of all, there are two kinds of videos. There are videos where you talk to your viewers, and there are videos where you perform. So if it's a comedy or some kind of music, you can't really ask for things. If you cannot ask, what you should do is have some kind of graphics pop up on your video during the editing that say, hey, please comment, share, whatever, those things. But if you can talk to your audience somewhere in the middle of the video, not in the beginning, because in the beginning it would be annoying, and not in the end, because very few people get to the end, but somewhere in the middle where you have a good aha moment and you think people are happiest with your video. Also, what you can do is offer them help or promotion. I'll show you a couple of examples of how I do that. Here's a video that I made a few years ago. I searched for Twitter marketing, and miraculously my video is still number 3. And as you can see from the video, it's actually really bad quality video because I filmed it a long time ago. See, the quality is quite bad, it's dark, but look at this. I've got a lot of upvotes, a reasonable amount of views, not great, but I think it's not bad. And then look what happens. Because it's a video about Twitter marketing, I told people, hey, if you want to share your Twitter handle below and promote yourself, right? So look, a lot of people are commenting because they want promotion. They're sharing their Twitter at this, right? And you get this at, so people are commenting extra. You see at John Crook, at this, and they're commenting extra because they want promotion. And this is actually okay. Like, YouTube is not penalizing them. It's not going into spam. And these extra comments have enabled me to rank. Another thing that I do in a lot of my videos, and maybe in this one, I don't remember, but I ask them, hey, if you have questions, post your questions in the comments. So like if they're struggling with their Twitter marketing, they can post questions. So now when they do that, there's something in it for them, and they're much more likely to post. So this has been getting me a lot of extra upvotes and comments, and because of that, the video has been ranking. Now, what you also want to do, I only did this early. You see, like when you have 2 replies, I used to reply, but now I just cannot manage it. But if you can manage it, reply to everybody. And what you want to do is heart everybody's comment who is good. Comment, upvote, and when you comment, ask them questions back, because when you ask questions in return, they'll comment again, and then they'll comment again, and then you comment back, and then they'll comment again. So you're going to be creating a lot of comments from one comment and a lot of additional activity. So now that you understand, you got to interact with them by asking questions and asking their opinions. And if you can, this doesn't work for all channels, but if you can be controversial, people are going to start debating things among themselves on your channel in the comments. And that's perfect, because if you can spark controversy and debate, so maybe the right things to say is be interesting and spark debate instead of just be controversial. But if it works for your channel, all those extra comments that people will create extra activity, which is a ranking factor for you. And all you have to do is just keep replying, keep the conversation going, keep asking questions, keep them engaged. And as you do that, press the thumbs up and down and heart, and you'll be getting a lot more comments than your competitive videos, and you'll be beating your competitors on this ranking factor.